Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today we're looking at how to make money while you sleep and specifically with affiliate marketing. Now this is the part what most people like is, they can literally go to sleep and wake up to hundreds if not thousands of dollars inside of their bank account. The reality of this is, it takes some time and effort obviously to go ahead and get something like this set up, but before we go to sleep we need to put in some work. Now in this video I'm going to share with you a number of methods that you can use and get started with when it comes specifically to affiliate marketing. Now over on my blog here I have got an affiliate marketing category on here. You can go through and have a look at, I share numerous methods for making money specifically with affiliate marketing, and I've also got lots more free resources. But first, let me share with you some results, and that what I'm going to be teaching you inside of today's video, it actually works. So this over here is inside of Amazon. Now, if you do not know, you can sign up and become an affiliate for Amazon. So basically, you can get a link from Amazon for any product, and if somebody buys a product via your own specific link, you can earn an affiliate commission. Now you can see here in the last 7 days, I have earned $51. So that's over on Amazon. Let me share with you some other resources because look, in the last I've been away on holiday to Centre Parks for a week. Before that, I wasn't really doing much work, and I've not done a great deal in the last 3 weeks. But the thing is, I've done the work previously and set up this so that I can earn money whilst I'm sleeping. But I've done the work, previously. So that's some earnings from Amazon. This over here is another platform. This is called Impact Radius, and you can see on here, if I just change this to, let's just go to this month as an example, you can see so far this month I have managed to earn, what have I earned here? $97 so far in the last 13 days. If I just click on, let's click on the last 30 days, it changes a little bit. You can see here sales and also payouts, $546. That's two different platforms. We've got another platform over here which is called Jarvis, so you can see some of the earnings down here. We've got another platform over here, and look, I'm not going to keep going through all these, but I just want to show you that what I'm going to be teaching you and sharing in this video I'm doing myself. So this is called Warrior Plus. You can see here the last 30 days we've got some earnings on here, and look, there's many more platforms, but I'm not going to bore you with the details because I'm not sharing this to gloat or brag or be big-headed. I'm just sharing what is possible if we go down this route. So we're looking at making money in our sleep with affiliate marketing. So as an example, if I come back over here to Amazon, we can see in the last 7 days I have earned $51. Now if I scroll down the page here and click on earnings, here, this over on the left hand side, this is a product that somebody has bought via my affiliate link. And we've got this one, we've got all of these. And we can see over here, revenue, so how much the customer paid. And over here, commission is how much Amazon paid me for sending them that traffic, i.e. a person. Now we can see on here, we have got some hiking boots. I don't recommend hiking boots, I definitely don't recommend them in these videos. But looking at this and this waterproof jacket, I pretty much know. So let me just click on, yeah, so these items here, I'm guessing that they've come from one of my niche blogs. So in this example, I'm going to come over here and go to Lineman Boots and Tools. Now this is a website that I bought this actually. I bought it previously and then added some content on here. But we can see on here, this is a niche website all around this specific industry. And what happens here is people are doing a bit of research on Google or Yahoo or Bing or wherever. They'll land over on this blog, if they were looking at potentially some new boots or some different tools, they would land on here. They would go into an article like this, they'd read all about it. And if they click these links here, you can see, look, Amazon, they go over to Amazon. And then what happens is, once they're on Amazon, if they buy that product or any other product within 24 hours, Amazon will pay me. So that's why we can see over here, we have got, this is a hiking boot, we've got a waterproof jacket, some trousers in the UK, we've got a military grade watch, and then we've also got some sort of antenna for a TV. So basically, someone's been, as I've mentioned, been looking around online, landed on this website over here, and they've gone over to Amazon, bought these products over here, and I've earned an affiliate commission. Now, this is the great thing about affiliate marketing. Because I've done the work previously over on this blog over here, I don't have to do, I don't have to keep creating this article again. It's already done and up online for me. So the work has been done previously. And this is the part when it comes to, a passive income where many people fail. They're not prepared to put in the time and the effort in the beginning. But if you do, you can start earning money, many months, years, and weeks, months, and years down the line from work you have done previously. Now, this is just one of these niche websites or niche blogs that I earn. I have these in a number of niches. I've also shared some of those in the past with you, like the fly killing websites and many more. But this is an awesome way to make money online because we put content up on here. We have a few images on here. We also have a link to Amazon or eBay or Etsy or any other platform like that. And this here is just working every single day for us. There's other things that you can do with niche blogs and websites. You can also include paid ads. You can have sponsors and lots more. I'll share with you an actual example. If I come over here, inside of this website up here, and I click on here, you can see today, this company over here proposed a new contract. So basically, what does that mean? Well, I'm an affiliate on this website over here, and you can see, look, this company over here, they've gone and sent over a proposal for me. So no doubt inside of here, they will like me to promote this piece of software. It's likely they will give me access to this, and they will pay me, a commission for doing so. So, I can go ahead and, view the terms if I want to and accept this. Now, this over here will be probably for my Not Taught at School website. And they will probably also go ahead and write the content for me because they want that content in front of my audience over on this blog over here. So again, I've done the work previously, or someone else is going to do the work for me. That will go over onto the blog, and then it will start to generate a passive income. That there is essentially how affiliate marketing works. We don't have to be salesy, we don't have to be sleazy or anything like that. We can create content. Now, at this moment in time, we've looked at niche blogs over here. This is specifically in this category. I've also got this blog over here, which is Not Taught at School, all around, as we can see on here, making money online, affiliate marketing, YouTube, and lots more. Now, speaking of YouTube, that is another great way that you can make money online because it works in a similar fashion to blogging. We create a video. If you know how to optimize that video correctly, you can then be earning money from that video, not just from YouTube AdSense, but also from affiliate marketing. And again, you don't have to be salesy. You just put at the end of the video, you have what is known as a call to action, which is basically whereby we're saying somebody, if you're interested in this product, there is a link down below. Go ahead and check it out. So when it comes to YouTube, I definitely recommend that to anybody. You can do YouTube on camera, off camera. You don't even have to talk. It's not difficult and it's free. Blogging, like this as well, is absolutely free to get started with. I've also got some free courses that you can go ahead and check out. This is one of them. This is the Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. So, if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing, this here will show you how to do it. Literally step by step. We've got a link to the Facebook group here. We cover why affiliate marketing. We then cover picking a niche, finding a product to promote. I've got a list of affiliate products, and then we have a link here. And then if we come up here, we've got the six-figure framework, and then we've also got traffic. And I've also got a free YouTube course inside of here, because if you use blogging and websites together with YouTube, you can earn more because you take the video that you put on YouTube, you put that video inside of your blog, and you can be getting traffic from YouTube and from Google, and you can be earning money with Google AdSense, you can be earning money with YouTube AdSense, and you can also be earning money with affiliate marketing. So you've got 3 methods all in one, whereby you're earning a passive income from work you do one time previously. So look, there will be links to these free courses down below for you. If you want to start looking at, blogging and understanding how to, structure a blog article and all of this, I will drop a link down below for you to this website whereby you can get 2 free websites. So this website is called I've gone blank. It's this one over here. Come over here. Using the link down below, it will take you over to this page where you basically sign up, and it will show you how to turn your idea into profits. They will give you, as you can see here, where's it gone? 2. It's definitely 2 anyway. You get 2 websites, and you can see on here, no design skills needed, and they will show you how to create a website. Then they'll show you how to drive traffic to those articles, and they also integrate with Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and many more. It's an absolutely awesome method. But look, whether we go down the route of blogging or niche websites or YouTube, they all do take time, effort, and consistency. You know, earning $100 a day, $1,000 a day, etc. It doesn't happen overnight. You've got to put in the time, you've got to put in the effort, and you've got to learn, learn and implement as you're going along. But once you do that, you hopefully, all being well, you will start seeing earnings like this as well. And I'm only doing affiliate marketing for an hour to 2 hours on an evening. And, I'm earning some pretty decent money, but that's because I'm consistent with this. So look, there will be links below to this platform here for you. I will also put a link to my free affiliate marketing course and my YouTube course. But look, that is how you can earn money in your sleep with affiliate marketing. We do the work up front, we optimize the content, and then we can go to the beach. So look, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.